calcium carbide slag, calcium hydroxide, as the main component of waste slag, after calcium carbide hydrolysis, to obtain acetylene gas. Calcium carbide slag ball pressing machine is a very common kind of ball pressing machine. Is a kind of equipment to press powder materials into balls. Mainly can be used for calcium carbide slag, stone ash slag, calcium carbide iron, calcium carbide iron powder, and metallurgical powder, cold press pellet, refractory materials, etc. Generally seen in our daily life, powder materials need to be on the furnace smelting. We can use calcium carbide slag ball press to complete. The main purpose of calcium carbide slag ball pressing machine is to press calcium carbide slag into balls after crushing. According to the particularity of calcium carbide slag raw materials, calcium carbide slag ball pressing machine is needed to press, which is the difference between calcium carbide slag ball pressing machine and other ball pressing machines.